Number 11, India. India, no surprise that the Bank of India has one of the largest stores of gold in the world. The South Asian country, home to 1.25 billion people, is the second largest consumer of the precious metal and is one of the most reliable drivers of global demand. India Festival and Wedding Season, which runs from October to December. Number 10, Netherlands. The Dutch Central Bank announced that it will be moving its gold vault from Amsterdam to the Camp Nou, Amsterdam, about an hour outside the city, citing burdensome security measures of its current location. Number 9, Japan. Japan, the world's third largest economy, is also the ninth largest holder of the yellow metal. Its central bank has been one of the most aggressive practitioners of quantitative easing in January 2016. It lowered interest rate below zero, which has helped fuel demand for gold around the world. In eighth place is Switzerland, which actually has the world's largest reserve of gold per capita. During World War II, the neutral country became the center of the gold trade in Europe, making transactions with both the Allies and Axis power. Today, much of its gold trade is done with Hong Kong and China. Number 7, Russia. The Russia Central Bank has been the largest buyer of the gold for the past 6 years. In 2017, Russia bought 224 tons of bullion in an effort to diversify away from the US dollar. Number 6, China. In the summer of 2015, the People's Bank of China began sharing its gold purchasing activity on a monthly basis for the first time since 2009. Although China comes in sixth place for the most gold held, the yellow metal accounts for only a small percentage of its overall reserve. Number 5, France. France Central Bank has sold little of its gold over the past several years, and there are calls to halt it altogether. Marine Le Pen, president of the France far-right National Front Party, has led the charge to put a freeze on selling the nation's gold. For Italy. Italy has likewise maintained the size of its reserve over the years, and it has a support from European Central Bank. President Mario Draghi, the former Bank of Italian governor, has asked by a reporter in 2013 what role gold plays in a central bank portfolio, answered that the metal was a reserve of safety, adding it gives you a fairly good protection against the fluctuation against the dollar. Number 3, International Monetary Fund. IMF holds around 90.5 million ounces, which is 2184 metric ton of gold at designated depositories. Based on historical cost, the IMF total gold holdings are valued at about 4.4 billion US dollars. Number 2, Germany. Last year, Germany completed a 4-year repatriation operation to move a total of 674 tons of gold from the Banque de France and the Federal Reserve Bank of New York back into its own vault. First announced in 2013, the move was expected to take until 2020 to complete, although gold demand fell last year after hitting an all-time high in 2016. On the top of the list is USA. USA, with the largest official holding in the world, the USA lays claim to nearly as much gold as the next 3 countries combined. It also has the highest gold allocation as a percentage of its foreign reserve at over 75%. Thank you very much. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video. For more such videos, please like and subscribe and hit on a bell icon. Thank you very much. Love you all.